So thank you for choosing Belle for brushless nail gel, and thank you for your comment. For this video, we want to share some tips about using Belle rechargeable nail gel machine. Firstly, please confirm the handpiece cord is inserted in place before use. The nail gel's start speed is 2,000 rotations per minute. Please use it about this speed. Now let's change the nail gel bit. Secondly, we must pay attention to the handpiece nail gel bit spring lock. Before turn on it, we need to confirm the lock is locked. If the lock is released or not in place, even though the nail gel bit can be pulled out, it won't proper working, just like this. When we don't use it, please put the handpiece on the holder or in the base. Please don't drop the handpiece. It's a death blow of the nail gel. In the end, remember to change the original gel bit back. It can protect the e-fire from dust and deforming. If there are any issues with your nail gel, please don't disassemble the handpiece by yourself. Please contact the Belle customer service team via below email. Thank you.